Hello, thanks for watching. Today we are going to do a small introduction to a system that we are working in Blazor WebAssembly. The name of the system currently is FairPlayTube, and it is a new generation of video sharing portals created in Blazor. It is also a 100% open source project that you will be able to find in the Github repository, and you have the link in the video description. Now, before we continue, please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos, and let us know any trainings that you will like to have about .NET Core, .NET 5, .NET 6, MAUI, Microsoft Azure, and Unity3d for game development. Um, okay, so let's start. So here is the basis of the project, and we haven't really deleted yet the default um, navigation items, but you are able here to see that we have these cards in here. So if I reload the page, we will see the data being load, right? And you will see that we can see like images of the videos, and if we click on them, we will actually start watching the video. So I'll create a I'll click on one and we'll see. So that's the video running. That if you heard, that was actually the voice in the video that I am playing at the moment, right? And we can close this, but now we can go to the videos that we have uploaded, right? So we can go to my videos, and it will show a list of videos belonging to the user, to the authenticated user. Now, one thing we haven't fixed yet is that they are auto playing at the moment. So that's something that needs to be changed. But one thing that you can see is that we have this eye in here, and if you click it, you will be able not only to watch the video on your left portion of the screen, but you are also able to see the video insights. We are using Microsoft Azure Video Indexer to upload or index the videos, so we can see them in here. We have the insights, we have the timeline, we have the transcriptions, topics, and all of that. And now, since these are the videos that the user uploaded, or the videos belonging to the user, we also allow the user to edit the actual insights. So the user can go and click edit, and they will be able to edit certain sections in here. For example, you will be able to edit the label. See, you can delete in here, right? You can delete these ones in here too. The you call them the brands, right? You can also go to your timeline, and if you hit edit, you are able to edit the actual transcription text so that it is better, so that it has the right words. Remember that even if the language recognition works very good, it's not perfect, right? And if the language of the transcription is not your if the language you are using is not your native language, sometimes it may not create a really great transcription. But since you can edit it, you can fix that. And one of the great things is that all of this will be stored, and there are some models that will be it will change the training models, and when we train, it will eventually create better transcriptions for the videos that you record. You can see more things, like you can go here and select everything, keywords, labels, and all of that. Let's go back to Insights, click Edit, and see here in keywords we can add keyword, and we can add any more keywords that we want in there, right? So that's what you have. You can also go on the lot, like the insights, the artifacts, source video, right? You can well, check the sentiments, right? The sentiment, right? So you see here we have like the emotions, right? And the sentiments. So that's some of the things that you can do with this small project. And this is just the beginning of the project. The purpose of it is that, well, not only to train developers in using Blazor, specifically Blazor WebAssembly, but also create the next generation of video sharing portals with a focus on users, immediate monetization, instant monetization, and total transparency for the users, so they have full access to their networks to create better videos, better content, and be able to live from it if they will. So that was the basis of the project we are working. We wanted to let you know about this, and please let us know any requirements and features that you will like to have. If you want to contribute, remember this project is open source, and in the video description you will be able to see the link to the repository, the GitHub repository, and you can contribute there with your ideas and create pull requests for new functionality that you may want to add, right? Actually, one of the features we are interested in having is integration with payment processing gateways, let's say PayPal and Stripe. So if you have experience, please let us know. Remember, please subscribe to the channel, share the videos, like the videos, and comment with things that you would like to have in this system. Thank you very much, and have a great day.